Stop posting shorts. I wish I knew this early before I started my channel. Oh my father. Small channels getting here. This is for you. I see a lot of comments where people always complain and say that the algorithm doesn't favor them, the algorithm doesn't like them. But do you know that the algorithm works for you based on your subscribers? Now, this is how subscribers that you get from shorts can affect your channel. Those subscribers are not your target audience. So that is where this video comes in. Okay, so it is not wrong for you to post shorts as a new channel if you want to get your subscribers on time. Fine, do that. But the moment you get your 1K subscribers, can you please cease posting shorts and focus on something else? Now, your focus should not be getting organic viewers. Okay, they do not watch your videos. They are just there. They're just subscribers. Now, let me show you. I'm going to give you an instance, okay? I want you to see this channel, okay? Brother Reigns is the name. Now, look at the title. I got 30,000 subscribers, but I can't monetize. So I'm reading it out for you. You know, you can see the number of subscribers he has, the 35.6K subscribers as at now, okay? But he can't monetize. Now, here's why. This is the YouTube studio. Can you see that? Can you see that? Look at the watch time there. This is somebody that has 30 something K subscribers. I mean, what comes to your mind when you see a channel with this kind of subscribers? In your mind, like, I mean, this person is eating money. Oh, I can't even imagine how much this person earns every month. But take a look at this. Look at this. Okay. What is written there is 296 public watch hours. You can imagine 296 public. That's very close. I mean, it's very little, it's minimal compared to, he hasn't even gotten up to 4,000 watch hours. Okay, 200, and then in his short he's having 28. Let me show you his shorts, which is the point of this video now. Okay, these are the views that he's getting in his shorts. Don't worry, if you can't see it, I'll call them out for you. There's 9K views there, there's 10K views there. You would see them. Mostly 10K, you see 6K, you see 9K. These are his shorts. As you can see, is the short that is highlighted there. Can you see? I'm sorry that this is, again, I apologize for showing you guys this way, but it's just to be on the safe side. Okay, so now the point I'm trying to make, and now I'm going to show you his long form videos. Okay, now take a look at the long form videos. Look at the most recent one there, just 9 views. You see, 48 views, 38 views, 44. Now this takes me to my point. How short is going to affect your videos, your long form videos. The subscribers you get on shorts are not your target audience. They're not your audience. Okay, they just subscribe. It's very easy to actually get subscribers on short, because when you post, you see it's there. It's always there at the bottom. Subscribe. Sometimes some people even click on it without even knowing they've clicked on subscribe. Do you understand? So many of them that are there, they're not following you for the videos that you actually post. You guys, they're not following for the video that you actually post. I would say, I advise that you focus on building an audience with your long form video first. After you've gotten your 1K subscribers, so okay, then you can now focus on, you can actually still get 1K subscribers using long form videos. It's just that you have to be patient. But if you can take it slowly but steadily, you will get there. But if you're not patient enough to, you know, to wait to get your 1K subscribers, I personally, I actually did promotions on my channel to build my channel growth. Okay, I'm being honest with you guys. But for that reason, I am going to be posting. I've been posting. I took on the challenge to start posting valuable content because I need to build an audience. And as I'm doing this, I'm telling you guys to also do this along with me. Okay, so if you've done something like maybe promoting your channel on social media, you know, to get subscribers, which is not bad. Okay, if you've done something like that, or you got your subscribers through shorts, which is not bad, the next thing you need to do is to build an audience. Cease posting on shorts. Take a break from shorts. Build an audience by posting valuable content, like content of value. Okay, now once you start posting content of value, you are even going to get more subscribers, because Now you are getting organic subscribers, and these are the people that will now watch your videos. Okay, slowly but steadily. It is very important that you take it slowly but steadily. You can see from this video I just showed, this illustration, this person's video I just showed to you now, he has views on shorts, like massive views on shorts, but his long form videos, nothing. He has over 30K subscribers, but he still can't monetize. This is what shorts does to you. It's what shorts does to you. You just be getting, views, but you can't even monetize. The people that you got from shorts, they are not watching your long form videos. They are not. They're just there sitting as subscribers. It's almost like having bots as subscribers. Whatever the algorithm does for you is dependent on the type of subscribers that you have. Now, hold on. Let me explain the logic behind subscribers to you. Now, if your channel is brand new, right, it is expected that the people that subscribe to your channel are subscribing because they saw your videos, right? The video you put out there, and they liked it. That is why they subscribe. Now, note that this is expectation of the YouTube algorithm, that people who originally subscribed to your channel are subscribing because they love the video that you put out. Long form videos, emphasis on long form videos. Okay, now I'm going to explain, I'm going to tell you the differences between your long form videos and your short form videos on the YouTube platform. The decision of the algorithm is actually dependent on what your subscribers do. So if you're saying that the algorithm doesn't favor you, what kind of subscribers do you have? Let me now explain that further. Okay, so as a brand new channel, the moment you put out your videos there, what the algorithm does for you is to push your content out and go to look for the right audience for you. The algorithm goes out to search for the right audience for you. Now, it's going to take a while, but some of the things that will determine the success of this process is your thumbnails, your titles, the quality of your video, consistency on the type of contents that you are putting out. Okay, now when that is achieved, it is expected that your videos will draw a certain number of audience at least, so you start gaining subscribers. Depending on how good your video is and how consistent you post, you would build a subscriber base. Right now, this is how the algorithm works and what the algorithm is expecting. Okay, now when you finally get your subscribers, like you get a number of subscribers, quite a number of subscribers, let's say 200, from 300, 400, 500, the algorithm already assumes that, okay, these are the people that love what you do, love what you put out here. So when you put content, whenever you put new content, they first of all push your content to those subscribers to view. Now, let me tell you the difference between how the algorithm works for a brand new channel and a channel that has a subscriber base. I already explained that of the brand new channel. It will just push out your content to get the audience for you. Now, for a channel that has a subscriber base, it is assumed that you have gotten a subscriber base based off of the content that you've put out there. Now, whenever you put new content, the algorithm first of all allows your subscribers to view the content before they know it. It helps the algorithm decide if this content is good enough to be pushed out to further people to get more. Do you understand? To get more subscribers. So if you put it out there and the subscribers that you have do not watch it, the algorithm is just going to take it that, okay, this content is not good enough. There's no point wasting time pushing this content out. Do you get? So that is why it's very important for you to get the right audience. Now, let me now tell you the difference between long form videos and shorts as in this YouTube platform. Okay, so the long form videos is what determines your business here on the YouTube platform, right? Shorts is, you need to see short as a different, or like a sub. You know how you have a group of company and then there are subsidiary companies, like, right? Or it's a division of the company. Just take short as a subsidiary company of YouTube itself. Okay, so short has its own, it has its own business, has its own audience. So if you want to be doing shorts, except you want to be doing it for fun. Personally, I do shorts for fun, right? Although yes, I got quite some subscribers in some of my shorts. Short is actually like the TikTok version of YouTube, or the Instagram or Reels or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels version of YouTube. So it's just there for fun. The audience that you have there, the audience you have in Instagram Reels, TikTok, those are the type of audience that are there. They're just there for fun. They're not there to watch videos that will help make them sit down for like 5 minutes. They're just there to watch a few seconds, 1 minute video. Those are not your audience. Those are not your audience, guys. Okay, so please, once you have your 1K subscribers, focus on building views, organic views, using content of value, like very good creative content, quality content. Quality is the word. Okay, if your content, maybe you're not in a niche of giving out tutorial videos, maybe your niche is vlog. Please let your vlog let it have quality. Let it make sure that your camera is stable when you're filming. Take creative angles, shots in creative angles. Let it be interesting. Use beautiful sounds. Like let people be able to relax watching your vlog. Okay, you are going to build an audience. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, so that's it basically. I didn't expect this video to be long. I wanted it to be very short, but here we are. I hope I was able to, like, give you something valuable today. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to end the video here. Please subscribe, like this video before you leave, also share, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.